Hi guys! This next recipe is my version of the perfect steak sandwich. Check it out. For this one, I'm gonna be using local, fresh lamb tenderloin. It's one whole tenderloin that you can get from your butchers. And I'm gonna use a small nub of fat just to make it richer. First, we start by removing the silver skin and seasoning the meat with just some salt. You want to slice this into approximately 1 centimeter thick slices. And the fat, very thin slices that we're gonna use to fry the meat. Put the meat in, season with salt, a little bit of olive oil, second step is going to be preparing the mushrooms with the onions and everything that goes with it. So in a fry pan on medium heat, I'm going to add 80 grams of sliced portobello mushrooms with a little bit of water, a bit of olive oil, some salt, I'm going to slice one large shallot, black pepper, one large clove of garlic, I'm gonna add a little bit of fresh coriander and some Worcester sauce. At this point, turn off the heat and leave it aside. Next step is to toast the bun with a little bit of butter in the fry pan. So you want to toast the bun till you get this color and leave it aside. The last step is cooking the meat on medium to high heat. I'm gonna put my fat in there, let it render. So once the fat has rendered, you want to remove the remaining chunks. In that fat, I'm gonna cook my meat. I want to cook it medium, so it's almost done. I'm gonna add some cheese to it. provolone cheese, 70 grams on top. And now we're ready to serve. There we go. Voila. This is it. Now the moment of truth. Wow. This is insane. Wow, I should put this on the menu of East Village for sure. If you're a fan of steak sandwiches, forget everything you've tried before and try this exact recipe using local lamb tenderloin. It's amazing. Cheers.